So now I'm going to install these three types of clip extension, and you can see the difference. Okay, firstly we will start with the normal one. I will have one. This is the normal one with the cloth. This one with the cloth, normal one, and another one, yes, like I show you. Okay, perfect. Seamless clip extension, and the last one is a new trend. Invisible. You cannot see the PU. It's all injected with hair. So now let's start with this one. Okay, let's start now. And then I will clip the hair. Start. Yeah, you can see now. Another one. You can see the difference. I'm thinking how to show the difference. Like, okay, I start here. This is the seamless. The seamless with PU clip extension. This is the normal one with the bundle, but you can see the edge is not. It's a little bit bulky. The edge. I mean on the weft here. So now I'm going to show you another one. This is the last one I'm going to show you. But I have to make on the top and the opposite side, so you can see the three types of difference. This one, I have to like this. I have the clip in this way, so you can see the difference. So the main purpose is to show you this one. You already can see it's a seamless clip extension with PU, and you can compare these two. It is very big difference. You see the weft here is obvious. This is the bundle weft. This one is the bundle weft because we make the clip extension with the bundle. This one, and this one is the new trended invisible injected hair. The hair you see very nice. You see, very clean and neat. Injected on the PU to cover on the PU. You can see the difference. You understand? So these are the three types of clip extension we provide for our customers now in salon. So customer, they have different choices. One is the lower price, one is the middle price, and another one is higher price. So they have obvious this.